It's your boy FGEDZ. Who am I here?
I came back. Your boy had to run to the bathroom real quick. Oh, they still going? She already done? Oh, damn. So I tell you one thing, we definitely don't have, that niceness that we had last time, man. We done went right back into the damn no man's land. Y'all bear with us. It look like we got another content creator. Wait. Oh, I'm about to say, damn, they ain't even got her followers up here. All right. It look like this young lady been on a lot of different episodes, man. A lot of different.
Yeah, with
Kayla, Cammie Simmons.
is that your Instagram?
It is Cammie Simmons.
Gotcha,
Yes.
gotcha. You ready to find love tonight?
Oh yeah, always.
You always?
Always.
So how long you been looking for
Always.
love?
I would say about 5 years now.
Cap. 5 years
Yes,
looking for love? Hey,
5 years.
Hey, we're gonna have to turn you up tonight. We gotta get you some love tonight.
Okay, I like the way that sounds.
Definitely, man. So I got a question for you. You ready?
Okay.
So if you were stuck in a room with your ex, what would y'all do and why?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Ooh.
All right, if I was stuck in a room with my ex, I would play hide and go seek.
And why is that? What-
I like to play games. I'm childish at the end of the day.
I got
Not
you.
childish in a bad way, but I just believe that you should have fun. You only live once, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like all of my exes were in a really good place.
Okay.
So, and they're very funny. And
I
I'm
got you.
very funny, so it just makes sense.
Most definitely. I rock with it. I rock with it. So comment down below and tell me if you
Wait a
was
minute,
in a
you been
room with
interviewing
somebody
people
or
like
your
Ty-
ex, what would y'all
What's
do
her
and why?
name?
Make sure y'all
Tyga?
comment down below. Man, let's get you out there.
Okay.
All right, let's bring out our next single lady. Hello. Hi,
I don't know.
beautiful. How are
she
you?
got some big names.
I'm good.
Damn.
Can I get your name and age?
Sure, my name is Kayla, and I'm a 20-something.
Damn. Good grief. A popathon. They definitely they definitely ain't feeling that damn outfit, and I ain't either. And that damn wig. All that stuff need to go.
Okay. And what do you do?
I actually own a media podcast marketing company,
Oh.
and I'm a former TV reporter.
Okay.
Yes.
And what do you look for in a man?
So I'm looking for someone who is evolving, someone who likes to have a good time, because I like to have a good time, someone who is open to just having discussions, and also just looking to be a leader, looking to continue to get to know and build a community together too. That's big for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we do
She's
have
a
some
really, really good
balloons.
speaker.
Let's go
You can
check them out.
tell.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hello. Can I get your name and age?
I'm Cornell, 33.
That boy
And
pop
what do you do,
everybody's
Cornell?
damn balloon.
I'm a tattoo artist.
All right. And why did we pop our balloon?
Just not my type. Yeah, just not my type.
Is it a feeling of aura, physical?
I don't like her outfit.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah,
Finally,
that's
somebody said.
Okay. Is he someone that's your type?
Not really, but I love you though,
I love
with the
you
love
too,
and grace of God.
Nah, for real.
All right, let's go down to the next
Okay.
one. Can I get your name and age?
My name
Can't
is
argue with whatever she just said. Like, okay,
I
all right.
work in marketing management.
All right, and why did we pop our balloon?
You say you how old? You ain't even give you.
I'm a 20-something.
Well, see,
You know, a lady's not supposed to tell her age.
Man, come
Intel.
on.
I got you. Well, yeah, just not necessarily my type. But nice smile though, real nice smile.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice.
All right, is he someone that's your type?
No, I'm gonna be honest, not really.
Any specific reason?
The confidence, you know, I feel like when you walk in the room, it should exuberate, and I think a lot of that has to do with building up yourself, you know, by yourself
Oh,
before you get with
my
someone.
shoulders back.
No, it's just not really feeling it. Yeah.
Would you
But
puff
it's
the chest a
meeting
little
you,
bit?
though.
Yeah, you know, that type is her type. It's all love.
But it's nice meeting you,
Nice
though.
meeting you.
All right, let's go down to the next
Okay.
one. Can I get your name and age?
I'm Nick. I'm 25.
And Nick, what do you do?
I'm a mail carrier.
All right, and why did we pop our balloon?
I don't want to sound like that dude to where his audacity overrides his genetics. Walking around here with $5 genetics and $1 million worth of audacity. But I just want to say that, you know what I'm saying, you got a nice spirit, you know, a nice smile. It's just the physical part for me.
Okay. Thank you for the
That's all.
feedback. I appreciate it.
That was
don't
so
like her
crazy
out in the
worded. I really like that.
shoes.
I do. That was wow. I'm gonna have to use that. I like that. All right. Is he someone that's your type?
No, but you're a handsome gentleman, but
Thank you so
definitely
much.
not.
Is it a physical thing?
I would say physical, and also too, I'm the type of person I can see beyond the natural. Your spirit needs a little working on, but you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Man, get the
Yeah.
She dug deep real quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
over
Well, it
here,
was nice meeting you,
Captain.
though.
Let's go down.
Yo, that outfit is crazy, man. Who? Somebody that's around all these celebrities and stuff like that, man. I don't get it. I don't understand.
The next one. Can I get your name and age?
My name is Quincy. I'm 29.
And Quincy, what do you do?
I'm a corporate headshot photographer.
All right. And why did we pop our balloon?
The top is. Did you make that yourself?
I didn't, no. Mm-mm.
Okay. I'm not trying to be mean. I don't like the outfit,
Okay.
and that we were told to come dressed for
I got you.
dressed to impress, and I just couldn't understand why that top was chosen.
I understand. We all got
Can you
opinions.
elaborate on why you thought she made it?
It looks like she made it, which I'd be like, dope. Keep practicing, but like, I like
You
it.
said keep practicing?
Yeah, like keep going, like make
okay.
more, like do more, make more. Like I think that's dope.
Oh,
Like being
okay.
a creative because I'm a
Okay.
creative, so like,
Okay.
I think that's dope.
Okay.
That's why I was like, did you make that? Because I'd be like, yo, congratulations.
No.
Well, oh, okay, cool. Well, my bad.
Oh, no, you don't have to apologize. You never apologize.
Yeah.
All right. Is he someone that's your type?
I like the outfit, but you looking to the side a little bit too much for me.
To the
And that
side.
says a lot about, when a guy does that or anybody, it says a lot about communication skills. I'm about communicating. When I see things like that, it says a lot about your trust in yourself and who you're communicating with. That's big for me. So it's
didn't-
nice meeting you, Quincy.
I get that. I get that. I appreciate.
Or can I
the
call you
feedback.
Q?
Call me Q.
All right,
Whatever you
Q.
want, babe. It's cool. Yeah, it's all good.
All right.
All right. It's going down to the next
Okay.
one. Can I get your name and age?
Rome, 34.
And Rome, what do you do?
I'm an artist, producer, engineer.
All right, Roman, why did we pop our balloon?
Beautiful woman, I can tell that she has a great spirit, but I didn't understand the outfit myself.
Everybody is talking about this outfit, man, and I still don't understand why in the world, whether she made a damn outfit or not, why would you come on to a pop the balloon dressed like this? The heels, the skirt, the top, the wig, I don't think any of that stuff looks good, man. Sport that doggone natural. Wear something that complements your body type. Maybe do something with your nails, get your nails done. I'm not saying wear them 13-inch long nails, but just like the other young lady, that the nice, respectful looking young lady, how she had her nails done. Just get them things painted. You know what I'm saying? Get them painted, and them shoes. I just don't. I don't get it. I don't understand. Like what are we doing out here, man? And what's so crazy is you can literally go to this young lady's page. Let me see if I can pull this up real quick. You can literally go to this young lady's page. Oh, she done took pictures with doggone Michelle Obama and everything on body. But you can go to her page and see that you hang out with, or you take pictures with some people that are high up. You know what I'm saying? So you're around fashion all the time. Do you not get any tips or anything, from these individuals that you're doing interviews and stuff with? I don't get it, man. It just amazes me how people can be around certain circles, make a decent amount of money, and not know and understand like fashion. Especially women that, again, like, you're fashionable, but these outfits, none of these outfits ain't it. None of them. I'm not a fan of anything that I have seen thus far. Maybe on other people. This is not bad. I think, what the heck? What is going on? Bro, that's crazy. That lipstick is crazy. But anyway, I don't want to spend too much time, but that outfit right there honestly doesn't look too bad. And y'all see what I'm pointing at? I think that this outfit right here is not that bad. She's covered up, you know, look like she got on some, I don't know if those are boots or what those are. Can I? My bad, y'all. That's not a bad, that doesn't look like a bad outfit. She could have wore something like that. Again, you're around all these celebrities. You would think that these people would know and understand, like, when you step correct. You're trying to attract somebody, right? First impressions are everything, man. I think she definitely failed in that department. She definitely failed in that department.
So that's what it was.
All right, so it's just the outfit. It's if we had a different outfit on, do you feel like we would have felt something different?
Now I feel like that's just, you know, I feel like we had some fun, turned up together.
Okay.
Okay. Is he someone that's your type?
Not really. I like the stature, but I'm at the turn-up stage. I like to have a good time, don't get me wrong. I love to travel, love to go roller skating, love to have fun with like any guy that I'm considering or he's considering me as well, and my girls. But you're very put together.
Girls.
You know? I don't know if you're from
Girls.
Houston or not, but
Look,
it's
he
given like
confused too. What the
Georgia
hell?
maybe.
No,
You from
I'm born
Georgia?
and raised north side of Houston.
North side of Houston? Okay, but you put together though. I like you though.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, it's going down to the next one.
Okay.
All right, can I get your name and age?
I'm Jalen, and I'm 23.
And what do you do?
I do HVAC.
All right, and why did we pop our balloon?
For me, it was you say you was 20-something. I feel like you just hiding that. It's
Okay.
like you got to be insecure about something or like either like this is going to be an issue. So I just feel like you just not saying that is going to be, it's probably hiding something that's probably going to be more issues later
I
on down
got
the
you.
line.
Other than her not
Other
saying
than that, I don't
that.
have a problem with your outfit or nothing like that, but I mean, you look good, you have a nice spirit, you have a nice smile, but other than that, that's pretty much it though.
I appreciate it.
Is he someone that's your type?
No. My thing, it takes time to, loyalty is gained, it's not, or it's earned, it's not given in the first
Loyalty.
couple of takes. So I think sometimes it takes a couple conversations.
Loyalty.
And sometimes men and women, they forget that step until they get into these situations where, you know, they get to know people and, you know, they don't really honor that. So it's a no for me. But it's nice
You're talking
meeting
about
you.
the loyalty part. Is that for you not
Yeah, when
saying
he
your
said
age?
my age, yeah. I think when you're like gathering intel from someone and you expect them to give certain things, it's earned. So for me, it's like,
So you mean trust? What the hell? I'm glad the host pointed that out. Like, when you say loyalty, like, what do you mean by that?
you got to get to know the person a
I'm
little
about to
bit
put a
before you
little ad
start
here that I-
to even get
I
information
told-
like that. Me, I'm big on healing and things like that. So when I hear things like that, it's like give
Yeah,
an
you're talking too
opportunity to
damn
get to
much.
know someone before you know. But it may be a little bit too critical. I don't know. Maybe I'm digging too
Question
deep.
for
You
you.
are.
So you know people do have an age preference. If someone is 35 and they say their cutoff is 29 and you say you're 20 something, what if you're 22?
I think that's part of getting to know someone.
what I feel like it
Yeah.
Well, they can't talk to you if they find
Yeah.
out you're 22.
Hey, shut up.
Yeah, I mean,
Yo,
this is a different kind of setting. It's television.
shout out to the host for calling out this bull, man. I need to have MTR. Bulls. Shout out to the host, man. Like, if somebody's getting to know you, like, cut past the BS, man. Just say what your age is. Damn it, they can probably go online and figure it out anyway. Like, what are we doing?
Yeah, I just don't like to talk about my age,
Okay,
but that's just a
gotcha.
personal thing.
All right, okay.
Yeah.
Let's go back down.
Okay.
So it's a personal thing, then.
Oh, we did have one pop balloon right here. Can I get your name and age?
Hi,
What?
I'm Ferrari and I'm 26.
Okay. Nice to
And-
meet you.
And what do you do?
My family owns the biggest dispensary in Houston, EMF.
All
Okay.
right, and why did we pop our balloon?
I kept it for so long because I was initially going to pop on your outfit. But
Yeah.
I'm the type of person where it's like you could simply change, you know.
Facts.
It's just
Change
something
your outfit.
off about the outfit. But the more I looked into your face, your eyes, you have a beautiful smile. So it was just the appearance that I was initially going to pop. But then I'm like, you know what, let me just hear her out. And then there's a lot of things, the talking to everybody else that I heard. I heard you mention girls. So that's multiple kids. Mark?
No, I don't
You-
have kids. I
oh,
said hang out with my girls.
Oh,
like
okay,
my,
okay.
my
Anyway,
friends.
okay, I
Yeah.
thought that was one of them. But another thing was, man, what did you say? I'm sorry. You said something about the age thing. There's nothing. I'm 26. All right. There's nothing wrong with if I'm initially trying to. The first thing I'm going to ask is your age. You know, just because in a society to where it's like the young could look really old, the old could look really young. I just want us to be transparent initially up front.
Of
And as
course.
my guy said, if you're just withholding something as far as just, that should be like, I feel like in the first conversation, the minute you
Yeah,
meet somebody,
yeah.
age should just always be in there. That shouldn't be something you ask later down the road. You know, it was like you were just withholding it already. So it was, I kind of agree when it was like a confidence thing. If you're
All right,
20, you're 20, so I mean you're in your late 20s somewhere. I love older women. There's nothing, trust me, because younger women are kind of immature, but I love somebody older. So with just those qualities and just hearing you, you know, you speak, I was just like, I don't think I could just, you know, it's a lot of like, I got to dig into. It's just, it just should be something simple that just rolls off. But it was like, it was just a lot of, got to dig, you know, I got to earn.
She
The
getting
name, where
activated
you
by that.
from, the age, it was just, I don't know, I just
Yeah.
felt like it was kind of,
That's why
and
she
then you're a
kinda
little
looked at it.
sassy. A little sassy. A little sassy. But other than that, you're really pretty.
Okay, I appreciate it. No, that's good feedback. Yeah.
Is he someone that's your type?
I would say yeah, definitely. He has a confidence about him, a je ne sais quoi, as I would call it.
Say
Je
that
ne
again.
sais quoi. So he has an it factor about him. I'm big on that. You know, I think we live in a very materialistic world nowadays,
Damn, who she
especially
put
like
me in
after
mind?
COVID.
Y'all, who does she put me in the mind of? She probably does something like the same thing that she does, man. She was on an episode with Kevin Samuels, and now she's kind of doing something similar to what Kevin Samuels is doing right now. Like she had some pushback for KS, and then she started doing the same thing that KS was doing. She got like a little talk show, single. They call it like the single show.
Oh, the one that
Kendra G. Yes, Kendra G. That's who she puts me in the mind of. She puts me in the mind of a freaking Kendra G. Thank you for that.
So to me, having somebody who understands themselves, that tells me how you can better understand somebody else.
Even
So,
kinda
you know,
sound like her a
my
little
thing
bit.
is you can only love someone as much as you love them, and that sticks out to me, but I appreciate the feedback.
Of course.
Yeah, I definitely made note.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right. Let's go back down. All right, lovely. So that was all the pop balloons.
Okay.
It was a blast having you, though.
Yes,
Thank you
too.
so much.
Alrighty, thank you.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.